Welcome to my channel Basic Learning for Kids. Moral story: Unity is strength. Once there was a farmer. He had 3 sons. They always fighting. One day a farmer brought a bundle of sticks. He ordered his sons to break it, but they failed. Then he untied the bundle. He again ordered his sons to break the sticks. Now they broke them easily. They broke them easily. He told them that union is strength. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.